into a down. Yes. Now lower him into a stand. Yes. I'm giving him a tiny treat each step of the way. I have a bunch of little treats here in my right hand. Yes. Yes. Yay. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Yay. Once he is really good at this, I can try to do it without any lure in my hand, so I have an empty hand. Yes, I'm going to give him a treat from the other hand. Yes. Yay! That's sit, down, stand, which is a puppy push-up. Over here. Good job. Yes. So now I'm just using a hand signal. I have an empty hand. Yay! Because he's so used to being lured. Yes. Good job. Then after he's really good at that, I can start adding a verbal cue. Sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Stand. Yay. Okay. And when he's really good at that, maybe I don't have to give him a treat for every step of the puppy push-up. Let's see. Sit. Nice. Down. Yes. I'm going to give him a treat for that. Stand. Yay. Good boy. Sit. Nice. Down. Nice. Stand. Yes. So I didn't give him his marker word. I just said nice for the sit and the down, and I didn't give him a treat. This is something you would want to work up to pretty gradually. Also, the more you work on this, the more you can start to refine your down hand signal, so you don't have to get all the way to the ground. Hey, bud. Sit. Nice. Down. Yay. No. Down. Yes. Good job. Stand. Yay. Good boy. And we can teach them to do all of these behaviors. Stand. Yay. In different orders. Down. Yay. So he can do a down from a stand. Sit. A sit from a